There's a dangerous blind intersection that I'm hoping I can fix with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. There's an intersection down the street from me that I go in and out of a lot, and it's kind of dangerous because the trees and the bushes are so overgrown that it's hard to see the traffic. Let me show you. I have a problem with this intersection here because it's kind of dangerous because I can see cars coming down this side, but if I'm turning this direction, I can't see cars coming down this side because of that bush right there. So that guy blocks. Oh, see, look, there's a car coming right now. And I've got to inch out basically so far that I'm in the other lane. My nose is just poking in there. So that car I couldn't see. And now I've got to inch out again. Inch out, inch out, inch out. All right, looks clear. Quick, am I clear over here? All right, cool. I can go. So that bush there, because it sticks out, makes it really dangerous to turn onto this road. So I'm going to do something about it. And so this is the bad boy that I think we can fix this with. So at Home Depot, saw this in the line of Cordless 60 volt, what they call their Flex Force power system. And since I have the Flex Force batteries, I thought this would be a great addition. As you can see here, it says tool only. So if you already have the batteries in the charger, then you probably just want the core tool. But if you don't have the batteries in the charger, then you're going to want the tool and the batteries in the charger, right? Just FYI. All right, 90-degree rotating handle, 2 feet of hardened steel blades, and a 3/4 inch cut capacity. So let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed and try it out. Voila! There it is. All right. So there is the business end of it. You can see the reciprocating cutting saw in there right below the static saw. And then we've got this big plastic guard on there, which I'll keep on there. Hand guard right up here. And then we have a nice big grab handle. What I want to show you here is that you can see this gray part right here, I think is the safety trigger. So you'll have to be holding that pretty securely in order to use this thing. And then if we go down here, what we have is the actual trigger and then a lockout right there. So I can't press it. I got to press this down and then you can press that trigger in. And then we also have a button right here because what you can do here is you can turn this. That's pretty brilliant actually, right? So I could have it just vertical like this. I could turn it like this. So if you want to get those nice cuts down the side of bushes, you don't have to turn your hand anymore. Look at that. Pretty awesome. And for the bush I need to trim up, that's actually going to be super helpful. Then if I just flip it over, you can see where that Flex Force battery will slide right in there. So I'm going to get this bad boy charged up, and let's see if we can make that bush and that corner a little safer. All right, here I am at the problematic bush right by the road here. And because I'm going to trim this side here, I'm going to go ahead and hit my transformation button, rotate it like this, and now everything is set up to trim on this left side. So I think really this is the area. Let's see if it goes through this. What I want to show you here is that some of these are pretty big. They are finger-sized branches here, so a little bigger than I was thinking, but give it a shot. See how this sucker does. Woo. Kind of going right through them, man. Wow. I've got all my PPE on too, so. Wow. This thing is great. Like I said, these are finger-sized branches right there. This thing is sharp, dude. Man, it's making short work of it, and I love how it catches the branches in the teeth there and then just saws them off. Whoa, 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 power. All right, I probably went a little overboard there because I probably only needed to trim it back a little bit here to make it a little safer. But I think from here, I've got a much cleaner look at the road right there. In fact, this bush right up here, maybe I could just trim just a hair back too. Yeah, man, that makes a big difference. Between this bush here and that bush up there, I can see all the way up to the kind of top hill of that street there. So I think that's going to be a lot safer for me pulling out, but a lot safer for cars that are coming from these various directions here too. So that is a result, and I am made a lot happier. Life is a lot better and a lot safer because of this Toro trimmer here. So it's pretty awesome. Obviously not close to my house here, so the fact that this sucker is battery powered makes all the difference in the world. If you want to pick up the Mac Daddy of cordless electric hedge trimmers here, I'll put a link to this one in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda.